Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Today I'm here with my October lineup, and I'm not even gonna front, I'm not even gonna pretend like I'm behaving at all this month. I'm a spooky season girly and I thrive with Halloween art, so there's just gonna be a lot of fully rogue, unhinged behavior displayed in my combos, so just brace yourself. Okay, so hopping in for the week of October 2nd, I am using Groovy Ghouls by CaressPress. So this kit is just so freaking cute. I love the pastels, I love the pop of black, I love the checkers, just top tier 10 out of 10 art. And so for the overlays, I'm using the Halloween quotes from PlanWithMeStickers. I do have a code with PlanWithMeStickers. You can use DOMI15 to save and get my cute freebie if you would like. But yeah, so we've got the Halloween quote overlays volume 8. And then I'm using part of the Bat bundle also from her in hollow. And I'm just using all of the overlays from that. And then for the underlays, I kind of wanted to play into this bottom washi, which I thought was super, super cute. So I've got black solids, and so I'm going to be layering the Groovy Checker Volume 2 underlays over the black solids, and I just got all of the colors in the kit. So we've got purple hollow, pink hollow, orange hollow, and blue hollow. So that is everything for the week of October 2nd. And then for the week of October 9th, I don't have the full setup yet, just because I ordered the kit late, but I'm going to be using the like scary movie mystery bundle from PinkDiamondPlannerCo. So that kit is on its way, and I think for the foil bundle that I'm just going to use some sort of confetti or twinkle in a matte silver. But for the underlays, I've got the matte silver solid underlays from AliciaCraft. And then, you know, Alicia is known for giving the people what they want. So I just casually posted on my stories that we needed TV static underlays, and then within like a couple hours, she released them because she's an absolute queen. So Alicia, if you're watching this, thank you, you're the best. But I got both options just because I don't know which ones I want to use quite yet. But I feel like these are just perfect for any kind of like horror or horror movie kit. So yeah, we've got option 1, which is like a thicker, denser static, and then static 2, which is more of like a finer confetti kind of static. So I might mix and match, I might use one or the other, I don't quite know yet. But that was everything for the week of October 9th. And then for the week of October 16th, we've got Haunted Bookshop from CaressPress. And this is one that for the longest time I was planning on doing matte silver with, and then at the last minute I went a little rogue and decided to add sparkly hollow in the mix as well. So I don't know, I just feel like sparkly hollow just pops so well against like navies and darker colors, so I think it'll be really pretty with this. And then the matte silver to just kind of like tone it down. So for the bundle, I've got this kind of like chunky sparkly hollow confetti from SPC. And the underlays are where it's gonna get a little wild. So I've got the solid underlays from AliciaCraft in navy. And then I'm going to be layering her book underlays in Sparkly Hollow. And those are just like little bookshelves, so I thought it was perfect for a haunted bookshop. But then to make it a little spooky, I'm gonna add the Spidey underlays from Plannahannah over these. So it'll kind of look like a spider webby bookshelf. So I think that'll be super cool. I did sneak, well, I don't know, I guess it wasn't a sneak. I just showed like the tester on Instagram and y'all were freaking the fuck out. So I'm very hyped for this spread. Oh, and also I do now have a code with Plannahannah as well, so you can use DOMI15 to save and get my freebie with her. But yeah, for some reason I only have one sheet of the Spidey underlays right now. I do have more on the way, but I thought I had enough to do this spread, but apparently not. So the base won't be fully complete at the end, but you'll get the idea. Okay, so for the week of October 23rd, yeah, 23rd, I'm gonna be using, what is this called? Booze and Bats from CaressPress. And I think, okay, so I got a couple of the extra color samplers. So I think that I'm gonna do all black headers with this. I think that could be a vibe. But this kit is just so freaking cute. Like the mirror, goodbye, top tier art. For me personally, the foil for this kit just had to be a sparkly pink, sparkly orange mixed metal moment. Like, it's just gonna be so freaking cute. So I've got the Halloween quote overlays volume 4 from PlanWithMeStickers, and then I've also got her cute ghost bundle, which I foiled in sparkly pink and sparkly orange as well. So we've got the overlays, the header overlays and double box overlays, and then the cute little ghosty underlays, and then the bottom washi page. I tried my best to make sure that there was like an even amount of both orange and pink. So yeah, I think this is gonna be super cute, and I think that the orange is gonna pop super well over the black headers. And then I'm gonna be layering the, if I can get myself together here, I'm gonna be layering the underlays over black solids, because there's so many like pops of black in this kit that I think that that's going to be really fun together. Okay, so the week of October 30th is my friend Michelle's wedding, and I'm the maid of honor, so you know I gotta do it up big in the planner. And this I feel like is a very risky wild card combo, but whatever. I mean, what isn't with me, you know? So I'm using the Gothic Romance kit from PinkDiamondPlannerCo. This is Darcy art. It's freaking perfect, and it's like perfect for a spooky season wedding. I mean, her wedding is not Halloween themed, but it's the week of Halloween, and if I can use like a romantic Halloween kit for a wedding, I'm gonna find a way to, you know? So that's the kit I'm using. So I was having a full crisis about what foil bundle to use with this, but ultimately I decided on this really pretty light purple in Confetti 2.0 from SPC. I think it just plays really nicely into the purpley tones in the kit, and it kind of balances out the unhinged chaos of the underlays. So I'm going to be layering. It's gonna be a triple layer moment. So first I've got the lightning underlays from AliciaCraft in sparkly pink and sparkly orange. And then just for a little extra razzle dazzle, I'm gonna be using the fine confetti underlays from Plannahannah in rainbow. And I'm going to be layering those in between the lightning underlays and the solid underlays in black. And even though these are rainbow, I feel like when I did my testers for this combo. You couldn't really tell that it was rainbow when it was under the lightning underlays. It just kind of looked like a little extra pop of razzle dazzle, which I'm going for. So yeah, I think that's really pretty together, and it kind of pulls in the rest of the colors in the kit as well. So yeah, that is everything for this lineup. I'm gonna go pop down the bases and BRB. All right, so it's been a couple days. I'm back with all of the bases and a finger injury, courtesy of Little Miss Popsicle, who launched herself out of the car window. And I busted my finger trying to make sure that she didn't die. Luckily, the car was stopped and we were in a parking lot, so like she's fine. She wasn't injured at all, but it was just such an unhinged scenario. Yeah, onto the bases. So I'm so excited about these. I'm obsessed with all of them. The glare is like really glaring right now, so I'm gonna bring you up closer. This is for the week of the 2nd, and I'm obsessed with this. I think this is so bright and so fun. And hot pink and orange, I feel like are such a good, fun Halloween combo. And when it's sparkly, it just makes it so much better. So yeah, obsessed with this. And then still waiting on this kit, so that's not down yet, obviously. And then for the week of the 14th, we've got Haunted Bookshop. I only had enough spiderweb underlays to do this side, so just don't look over here. But I think the sparkly hollow is so freaking pretty with this kit. I think it just pops so well against like the dark, dusky colors. Hopefully you can kind of see the spider webs on this side. It's probably not showing up too well on camera, but like in person, it's such a cool effect. And I can't remember if I said this in the like lineup part, but I think that when I fill this spread out, that I'm probably gonna do matte silver for the scripts and icons, just because like the overlays and everything are sparkly hollow, so I kind of want to pull more of the matte in, and I think that's gonna look really cool. But yeah, I feel like matte silver and sparkly hollow are kind of a vibe together, and I think we need a mixed metal bundle. Like, I think that would be so sick. Okay, then for the week of the 23rd, we've got the Groovy Ghouls base, and this turned out exactly like the vision, and I'm so freaking excited about it. I just think it's so fun. From the viewfinder, it doesn't really look like the different hollows are showing up on camera. It kind of just looks like it's all just regular hollow, but again, in person, it has like a really cool effect. So yeah, obsessed with this. Finally, for the week of the 30th, we have the Gothic Romance kit, which is another sparkly magenta, sparkly orange mixed metal moment. And I think this turned out so fun as well. I don't know if you'll be able to see the like rainbow confetti on camera super well, but I think that layered so nicely with these, and it just adds just that like little extra amount of pizzazz. I mean, as if I needed it, but y'all know how it is around here. But yeah, I think this turned out so fun as well. I'm not gonna lie though, I do think that the sparkly magenta and sparkly orange are a little loud with this art. I mean, okay, not that that's ever stopped me. Like, y'all know I'm the louder the better kind of person when it comes to foil. But I feel like once the labels and plans and everything are in, that it's going to balance out much better. And I think that the light purple bundle kind of balances it out a bit as well. So yeah, very excited to see how this turns out. I'm obsessed with all of these bases. Let me know what y'all think, and let me know what y'all are using in October, because I would love to know. So yeah, thank you for watching and hanging out today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one. Later days.